everybody.
We're back.
So
We're
going to be showing all of my slimes today,
4 putties.
and also I'm going to be showing my squishies after we show my slimes and my putties. So
First, okay,
here, you take one, I take one.
I'll take.
So I have this cute little putty that is called Thinking Putty Twilight. Thinking Putty Twilight.
I have this red glitter slime that we made. Well, that she made, and it has little beads in it.
Yep, so let me just open it up. And don't get grossed out because this one's really, really gross.
This one has a good stretch.
Not to be gross or anything, but there's hair in there.
Ew.
Let's just get another one.
Let's do a clicky test. Let's do the bubble now.
Next putty is this Thinking Putty called Stardust.
Okay, move your hand.
And it's really, really cool. You know
Not
why?
good at-
Because it can glow in the dark.
With a black light.
Yep.
But which we can't show the glow in the dark because we can't find the black light.
Actually,
We'll pause the video.
So you guys, we can't find it, but
it.
that's okay. Let's just show you the putty.
This slime we're not going to get out because it's really melted. We might fix it later on and do a video of playing with it maybe. Right, Lily?
Yeah. Sorry guys, it hurts really badly to open this.
Here, let me
No, you can't. I can't.
I'm going to do the Crazy Erin Thinking Putty Blue Moon.
Finally, I got it. It's all stuck. Look. And as you can tell, it's all black. It looks more of a grayish color to us, and
On camera, it looks black.
so we're just gonna take the putty out of the
I
container.
can't get this at all.
Here, ask me how to open it.
No, I got it.
So I have my putty here. So she's going to the restroom right now, and yeah. Anyway, so we have the Stardust here, Stardust putty, and it is rainbow sprinkles in here. But you can't see it because our camera doesn't focus. You can see kind of the speckles, but you can't really see the colors.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and I cannot get this. Putty to open, so I don't think we're gonna open these putties.
Actually, I can open them.
Well, you can.
Anyway, so I have the Stardust here that I'm going to close up because we already saw it.
Okay,
so
Lily, you
do mine, I'll do mine.
this one.
So here's
what do you
mine.
write on it?
Blueberries. My blueberries.
This is mine.
So this is my slime, and it's called Blueberry.
My slime. Sorry, guys.
It just fell.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah, we'll be
Mine's
right
also
back.
cold.
We'll be right back. We're back. Yeah,
If I
technical
did
difficulties.
not mention, my slime is called Blueberry too.
Yeah, mine's called Blueberry. So
Let's get
show
these
you.
bad boys up. Ow.
Oh,
Mine's so
super
sticky.
sticky.